In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize a Wix blog, focusing on techniques that cater to both new and existing blog content. Optimizing your blog ensures that you're not only creating engaging material for your readers, but also making your content visible and attractive to search engines. Let's dive into how you can do this effectively. First, it all begins with selecting the right topics. When you're launching a blog, it's crucial to narrow your focus to just a few key topics. This allows you to concentrate on crafting posts that speak directly to the needs, questions, and pain points of your target audience, establishing a solid foundation of relevance and engagement. Next, you want to choose blog formats that are SEO friendly. To outshine your competition, ensure your content is valuable and insightful. Comprehensive, research-based articles often rank higher on search engines like Google and Bing. These engines prioritize content enriched with original data, setting your blog apart as a credible source. Once you've settled on your topics and formats, the next step is to optimize your posts. This involves a meticulous approach to keyword integration, meta descriptions, and ensuring your content is genuinely valuable to readers. These elements contribute to how search engines perceive and rank your content. Another crucial aspect is structuring your content effectively. By using varied formats for different text sections, you help not just your readers navigate your content, but also assist search engines in understanding the hierarchy and intent of your content. Proper use of headings, subheadings, and bullets can significantly enhance the readability and SEO performance of your articles. Incorporating rich media, such as images and videos, is also critical to keep readers engaged. Readers are more likely to stay longer on your page when rich media is present, which can positively impact your page's SEO performance. It's equally important to add alt text to images. While images can dramatically enhance a post, search engines can't interpret them like humans do. Thus, providing alt text helps the search engines understand the context and improve the image searchability and indexing. Linking internally is another great strategy. Just like a spider web, internal links connect various posts and pages within your site, allowing search engine bots to crawl efficiently through your content and index your pages accurately. This interconnectivity is not only beneficial for SEO, but also enhances user navigation. Ensuring your blog is mobile-friendly is no longer optional but essential. With a growing number of users accessing content via mobile devices, optimizing your blog for mobile ensures it reaches a wider audience and improves user experience. Additionally, posting frequently helps your blog remain relevant and top of mind for your readers. Regular updates signal to search engines that your blog is active and a reliable source of new information. Lastly, engage on social media. Sharing your blog posts across platforms not only drives traffic, but also increases your content's visibility and credibility. Engaging with your audience through comments and discussions further strengthens your blog's community and reach. By focusing on these strategies, you're well on your way to optimizing your Wix blog effectively, ensuring it's both user and search engine friendly. Happy blogging!